Welcome to the first session of Production and Operation Management. Today we will discuss some of the basics of production and operation management. Production and operation management is the process which combines and transforms various resources used in the production or operations subsystem of the organization into value added product or services in a controlled manner as per the policies of the organization. Therefore, it is that part of the organization which is concerned with the transformation of a range of inputs into the required product or services having the requested quality level. The set of interrelated management activities which are involved in manufacturing certain products is called as production management. If the same concept is extended to services management, then the corresponding set of management activities is called as operations management. Production and operations management is the management of an organization's production system. A production system takes inputs and converts them into outputs. The conversion process is the predominant activity of a production system. The primary concern of an operations manager is the activities of the conversion process. The definition of production. The production is defined as the step by step conversion of one form of a material into another form through chemical or mechanical process to create or enhance the utility of the product to the user. Thus, production is a value addition process. At each stage of processing, there will be value addition. Ewood Wofa defines production as process by which goods and services are created. Some examples of production are constructing flats, some structural fabrication works for selected customers, etc., and manufacturing standardized products like car, bus, motor, cycle, radio, television, etc. This diagram explains the various components of production and operations management: product design, process design, production planning and control, quality control, material management, maintenance management, location of facilities, plant layout, and material handling. Production system. The production system of an organization is that part which produces products of an organization. It is that activity whereby resources flowing within a defined system are combined and transformed in a controlled manner to add value in accordance with the policies communicated by management. Production is an organized activity, so every production system has an objective. The system transforms the various inputs to useful outputs. It does not operate in isolation from the other organization system. There exists a feedback about the activities which is essential to control and improve system performance. This is a systematic diagram of production system. First of all, there is an input in the form of men, materials, machines, information, and capital. Then these are processed in the product design, product planning, production control, maintenance, and the output is in the form of services and product. There is an underneath diagram which shows the continuous in the form of inventory, quality control, and cost. There is a feedback in each and every process, and the decisions are made according to the environment in the each and every process. Classification of production systems: continuous, mass, batch, job shop production systems. Continuous production system. In the continuous production system, facilities are arranged as per the sequence of production operations from the first operations to the finished product. The items are made to flow through the sequence of operations through material handling devices such as conveyors, transfer devices, etc. The main features of this production system are dedicated plant and equipment with zero flexibility, material handling is fully automated, process follows a predetermined sequence of operations, component materials cannot be readily identified with final product, planning and scheduling is a routine action. Advantages of continuous production systems are standardization of a product and process sequence, higher rate of production with reduced cycle time, higher capacity utilization due to line balancing. Manpower is not required for material handling as it is a completely automatic. Person with limited skills can be used on the production line. Unit cost is lower due to high volume of production. The limitations are falling are the limitations, flexibility to accommodate and process number of products does not exist. Very high investment for setting flow lines. Product differentiation is limited. Mass production. In the mass production, manufacture of discrete parts or assemblies using a continuous process are called mass production. This production system is justified by very large volume of production. The machines are arranged in a line or product layout. Product and process standardization exist and all outputs follow the same path. The main features of this production system are standardization of product and process sequence, dedicated special purpose machines having higher production capacities and output rates, large volume of products, shorter cycle time of production, lower in process inventory. Advantages of mass production system includes high rate of production with reduced cycle time, higher capacity utilization due to line balancing, less skilled operators are required, low process inventory, manufacturing cost per unit is low. The limitation includes breakdown of one machine will stop an entire production line. Line layout needs major change with the changes in the product design, high investment in production facilities. The cycle time is determined by the slowest operation.